Spice it up. 10 herbs and spices. For flavorful, diabetes-friendly cooking. Spice up your meals in a diabetes-friendly way with these 10 flavorful herbs and spices. Number 1. Use cinnamon to add sweetness without sugar. Number 2. Experiment with turmeric in savory dishes. Number 3. Add garlic for flavor and potential health benefits. Number 4. Choose fresh herbs like basil and cilantro. Number 5. Use ginger for a zesty kick. Number 6. Incorporate rosemary into roasted dishes. Number 7. Try oregano for an Italian twist. Number 8. Use thyme in poultry and vegetable dishes. Number 9. Include cumin for a warm and earthy flavor. Number 10. Experiment with paprika for smokiness. Do you agree? Help out others by sharing your experience. Comment below.